All right, guys, well, we got the car yesterday. We had to put it in the backyard for now, just because we couldn't get it to roll on the tires that were on it already. But here's the car. It's a 1979 Camaro Sport Coupe, original 350 car, built in California. Already got the wheels and tires taken off of it. For the wheels, you can see the taillight's a little bashed up, but that's all right. Nothing we can't fix. Both of those, surprisingly, for it being a 79, there's no dents on the trunk and there's no dents on the hood or the roof. But yeah, there's, you know, this fender has seen its better days, that's for sure. As you can see right down here, the nose cone's a little messed up. It's normal though, expected. You can see the fender's bashed in a little bit down there. Go ahead, open her up. So you still got the carpet in here, and oh my God, it is toasty. But we checked for rust. There's definitely some down here. We saw it. So far, we haven't seen any up there. So fingers crossed, maybe there's not too much, but it's a 79, so I'm not expecting a whole lot. As you can see here, the back little bumper covered deal is goofed. Probably gonna get a fiberglass one of those eventually, just to replace it. Interior on this side is the same. There we go. Yep. Whenever the guy that delivered it was bringing it to me, he had to take the wheel off, and I guess because he tried to put the new ignition in, so because it didn't have a key in it, and the ball bearings to the steering column are all over the place, so it doesn't steer right now. Got to get a rebuild kit for that. There's some minor rust right here, that's expected. This car actually had the window down for quite a while, and yeah, this seat, as you can tell, is in much worse condition than the passenger side, since it was open to the weather. And still got the mirror adjusters. Pretty cool. That works. We have to figure out, I need to find out a way to open up this trunk. We're just gonna either drill a hole through the lock there, because we're getting a new one anyways, because we don't have any of the keys for this car. Or I saw some people saying online that from this back seat here, apparently if you take it out, you can reach back here where there's a little latch release, and you can actually open up the trunk. Do a walk around to the nose cone. It's pretty messed up. These old nose cones are made out of that cheap, I think it's polyurethane, correct me if I'm wrong, not sure. But I mean, this stuff, I don't know if you can see, but it flexes like crazy just because it's old and ratted out. The wheel was rusted on to this back here, so it was stuck. This back right drum brake is actually locked up, so we're gonna have to figure something out with that to get that unlocked. And here are the stock tires, or stock wheels actually. Got all four of them right here, and we are about to back the truck up in the gate and see if we can't get some tires on these to get it rolling once we can get that back right tire loosened up. All right, a quick update. We got one of the new wheels, or one of the new tires on. It's a little tiny 185/70/14. We got the other new tire on this side, really small. Then we got some old beat up tires for the back for now, until we can get our hands on some 15x9s or 15x10s. And then my dad right now is working on getting this right back drum loose, and I just peeled the passenger seat out of it, so now we got to try to maybe peel these back seats out to try to get the trunk open. Now we are going to the shed to get the shop vac to clean this dirty bastard out, because it's a bit dirty. All right, boys, we got it. Bit of a pain in the chode. Ready to go? All right. Time to clean some shit up. Oh, that's blowing. That's blowing. Oh, God.
These seats, they sit on hinges and you push them in far enough and you pick them up.
There's actually still bones back here. Got some bones coming with a new Camaro. Pretty cool. Oh yeah. There's a bunch of confetti shit.
It's asbestos. They chewed up those tapes that were left in there.
Oh, I thought that was confetti. Those are cassette tapes. Hey, J-Rock, you forgot your cassette tapes in here.
You talking about these are car stereos? These is cassette decks, motherfucker. Check this shit out, boy.
What I'm saying? What I'm saying?
Hey, I'm really surprised at how good the GM looks on these seat belts.
Yeah.
I don't know if the camera will be able to pick it up because it might be too low, but GM on that sucker looks nice. Check it out. We got some extra AC in the back of the car. As you guys can see, it's actually meant for extra airflow. This was custom in '79. It was real popular to have, you know, extra space in the back of the car or behind your seat, because really the seat is mounted right here, so ideally you want some wind blowing up on your butthole from right there to get some nice wind ripping, you know, give your butthole a breather. So that's what I like to call the butthole breather right there. The more you know. On a real note, there actually isn't rust right here, which is very surprising. I don't know about in this general area, but I mean, it's like mostly flat, so hopefully it won't be too much of a pain in the chode to weld. And I might have to ring up my boy Logan, ask him to do some welding for me, then I'll have to do some too. My dad redid all of the floors on his K5 Blazer that's a 83, so he's probably gonna be doing some of this too. But yeah, now we're about to take these back seats out and try to look through to see if we can't hit the latch to open up that trunk. And it's a treasure chest. We don't know what's in it, so we might find something cool.
I think we gotta pick it up and then out, I think is how this comes out.
I got my side.
Okay. Yard sale.
This bitch is heavy.
Holy shit balls. We got a gold mine on our hand, boys. I think I'm going to get my drill and drill bits.
All right, well, now we're gonna try to drill out the lock on this trunk, because I'm actually gonna go around the car and turn the flash on, so hopefully you guys can see that this thing is packed full of shit. Well, you can already see right there and right there. All right, now the flash is on so you guys can see up in there. Can't fully see what's in there, but you know, can try to look. And one of these days I need to go get some more gloves because my gloves are worn out. So we might take a trip to O'Reilly soon to go get some more locks. We'll probably get some more over there. Oh, never mind. A whole bunch of shit. Little tiny donut.
It's full of water
Really?
or something. Spare belt. Another spare belt.
Yep.
Tire iron.
Hey, look.
Windex
Windex.
from 1980.
Floor jack. Hey,
Crankbait.
free crankbait. It's called Sunny Delight. Wow.
Air cleaner lid.
Buddy was a big orange juice guy, huh?
He was an orange juice guy.
You just chugged those and threw them in the back, I guess. Hey, old air cleaner thingy.
Air cleaner with filter. Oh, look at there.
Huh.
That's some decent tools we can still use.
Speaker.
Old
6x9.
6x9 speaker, yeah. Oh. Brake fluid.
Brake fluid.
Nice.
Pretty old.
Red scissors.
Got some skizzies. Screwdriver. Channel locks.
Hacksaw.
Hacksaw.
Balancer puller.
Well, boys, there's a little rust hole right there, but that's all right. Just small. It's really not bad at all. So, fingers crossed, we can go through the rest of this and it'll be similar. Just small rust holes, man. Looking good. But now we gotta mess with the old steering wheel some, try to get it to steer. As soon as it'll steer, then the car will be a roller. Then we can roll it into the garage. All right, well, I believe we left off on taking the trunk lock and putting a drill to it. And we opened up the trunk, checked it out. As you can see, we got all this crap. We've been shop vacuuming for quite a while now. Probably, I don't know, an hour. We found some more AC holes. One right there, one right here, and one right here. But really it's not too bad so far. So a little bit of surface rust on the outside of this, nothing we can't fix. And I just peeled up the floor trim right here because we're gonna keep it still good. And it looks like the wire loom cover is just rusted out, as you can see. It's rusted out. But yeah, we've been shot back in. I'm breathing some shit in. But yeah, nothing exciting really happened. We're just shot backing and cleaning it up. So here's a better shot of the floor pan right here. It's all rusted out, can't put any body weight on it, you'll fall right through. But look at this, all right here, there's no rust except for in this corner. I don't know if the camera will pick it up. There it is, right there. So other than that one little hole on this side at least, all this is mint. So very good, pretty excited about that. All right, boys, well, it's nighttime now, as you can tell. Just doing a quick walk around of the car. We got the windows rolled up now. We stripped out a whole bunch of crap. We're storing everything inside now. I'm getting murked by mosquitoes, so I'm trying to make this quick. We'll finish up the video right there. Try to close this door all the way. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. This was part 1. Part 2 is probably going to be, I don't even know, a whole bunch of different crap. I'm going to go to grab some lug nuts from O'Reilly's. I'll probably pick up on part 2 tomorrow, and I'll add all the videos to a playlist so they're easy to watch in chronological order. But that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for part 2. Peace out.